This is called Tribute to Junior Wells.
Tribute to Junior Wells?
Yes. And you get to take a solo in it, but if you want to overdub your solo,
No.
we'll just leave you a place here. Because you might want some chords behind you, I don't know. You can overdub the chords too.
I don't know.
You like it raw?
Yeah.
Some
Yeah.
like it raw.
Did you hear a second guitar jumping out of nowhere on Hoodoo Man Blues? I didn't think so.
This might not work in this low key, but I want to try it.
I'll text you.
Oh, what time is it right now?
It's 6:20. I think you have about an hour before. The gig starts at 8, and it's only a couple of miles from here.
Could you text me the address,
Address,
please?
Did you hire Marty
Thanks,
for the
man.
gig?
Yeah, he stole them from me.
You know he was trying to hire me too, Dave Barrett?
See you, Gary. Gary, I hope you stop by.
Dave Barrett's not
You
listening.
don't
If you gotta go, man.
Well, I could probably
Do one.
probably got another like 20 minutes or 30
Yeah.
minutes, something like
And
that.
that'll be the time for me to go too. So.
Let's just try this thing. So it's got goofy beginning, and the ending is even goofier. The ending it goes like 5 5 5 5 5 5 4 4 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 5 5 4 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 5 4 4 4 4 4 1. Then I do some goofy shit by myself, and you guys.
Like that?
Exactly.
So the intro is ba 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 ba. Oh, is that-
No, it's all three chords. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba.
Okay. And then that funk. This is straight funk groove.
Yeah, we still kind of gotta make the groove here.
Are we in D?
Like a funky like that. Okay.
So we da 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 ba 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 ba. Bow. Dum, 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 dum.
Hey, keep tapping your foot like that.
During the song, you mean?
Okay, cool. That's fine.
Nice.
That's good. Would you like a
All
little
right.
flamenco in there?
That was
Shall
the
we
bass.
cut it?
That was the bass line you were saying right there.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Let's just try it one time before we cut it. Try a few bars. See if you get this crazy beginning and crazy ending. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's get the
Hey,
right key. I'm
Mikey,
key.
we're in D.
We're in D. All right. Now you tell me. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's all there is to it. But we do want a guitar solo in there, so I'll play about maybe 4 progressions.
Just say guitar when you're ready for me.
Okay, and how will I know when you're done?
I'll play around once or twice, maybe twice.
Twice? Yeah, twice is good.
Okay.
Then I'll do like 4. He'll do 2. I'll do 1 at the end. So,
Practice the ending.
yeah, we should probably practice the ending. Let's take it from the 5. Well, the 5 is the ending, so just take it from the last progression. 1, 2, 3. just like that.
I love me some tweets.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's try it.
I'm away.
Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1.
You wanted funky, you got it on my part in a couple of spots.